I'd love to walk you through the simplest yet the most value-adding generation that you can do on Caimera. So just like this, you can enter the front and the back shot of a garment and click on shoot, and it will generate a PDP video that will include the model walking front and back seamlessly. And as you can see, even that lace detail did not get destroyed in the process. And this could be an AI image or it could be a real image, both work. And you don't even need to prompt. If you put nothing, it's going to work. If you put posing or smiling, then she's going to do some additional things, but works without doing anything. Start frame, end frame, and fire. Great, thank you. Have fun.